Okay, by now you've heard of this amazing scanner here for trading. It's a software that, helps you find the exact pairs to trade and which direction to trade them in under 3 minutes, along with some great strategies for jumping in. Now, you might be asking yourself, how do I learn this stuff? How do I learn to use this? Maybe you don't know how to trade. Maybe you don't know what you're doing. No problem. What do you got for support? Right here, these are the creators of the software. They go live 5 days a week, 3 times a day on most days, 2 days on Friday. They do a live analysis, right, on indices, live analysis on forex. And then they have Master the Skill, where they teach you how to use the software. All the different ways and different strategies, how to scalp, how to swing trade, everything. During these live analysis, they show you how to find opportunities with the software, right? They teach you everything you need to know. These are the creators of it, guys, right? Now, watch if I click through, all right? Over here, everything's recorded, right? So if you miss any of the lives, no problem, it's recorded, and then they get a massive library in their favorited section, all right? So everything you need here to get really good at this scanner is here, all right? So reach out to me ASAP. I'll get you the details. Right, there's a 7-day money-back guarantee, and trust me, if you like all the thousands that are using this, you're going to love it and stick around. Ask me for details.